Alam mo, lagyan lang ng gatas tsaka leche plan yung tuktok mo, halo-halo ka na. Halo-halong emosyon. Let's talk about mixed emotions. Like, you know how fascinating it is na we experience mixed emotion. How can you be happy and sad at the same time? And I realize it's okay if we don't understand. And we are valid to feel that way. Kung kaya nating maging mabait sa tao, maging mabait tayo. Because sometimes what people express with their face, with their actions or gestures doesn't always match their real emotions. Guys, it's free. Libre lang maging mabait. So if you can be kind, be kind, because we'll never know what another person is going through. At sana kung i-express mo yung sarili mo, do it in a hobby. You can meditate, you can run, you can exercise, you can dance, you can sing. Just express yourself, but never hurt anyone's feelings just to express yours. Sabi nga nila, when you live it there. And in case no one told you, I am very proud on how you handle your emotions. Kaya ikaw na halo-halo ka, okay lang yan. Just express yourself. Saan mo nakakabili ng halo-halo?